out there in the industry right now, nobody's really pushing 3D projectors.
Okay.
I don't believe they are. Okay, even in print so much or on the web.
Okay.
Have you found that to be true?
Well, I think it's really due to how the consumer is able to adopt the technology. I think it's been pretty complicated up until today. So the adoption rate is quite slow. But I think there's interest. It's just how do you make it user-friendly enough that you can get the mass market to adopt it.
Certainly, from my perspective, a projector is the easier way to go because of the price point. So you know. And that's where I personally am coming from. What we want to do for you right now is we want to understand this incredibly new product is based on 2D to 3D conversion.
Right. Well, Vivitek has brought out the D536, which is just one of among 3 projectors that we have the ability to do that. We offer 3 versions. One is a SVGA version, one an XGA version, and another one the WXGA. So with the WXGA, you're able to do 720p content natively. But what you'll find with our projectors is that those 3, they have the ability to take a 2D content in high definition, 4DI, 576, 720, 1080, and turn it into a 3D image. And so for everybody to enjoy, all they have to do is plug in their source via HDMI to our projector, and they can enjoy the content in 3D.
Now, how about the depth of field problem? How are you able to even convert 2D to 3D and still capture any kind of depth of field for an effect?
Well, that's a special type of technology that we incorporated inside our projectors, and it's able to kind of understand the image and turn it into a 3D format. That way, it creates that depth and that kind of pop, if necessary, for the consumer or the end user.
Now, the consumer should probably understand that 2D to 3D conversion, you won't get in-your-face 3D effects.
Right. Well, with that said, I think Hollywood has spent a lot of effort showing directors how to film that or how to get that pop out of the images. I think through the Avatar movie, it created that type of imagery or that type of depth or pop. With most 2D images, they were not originally filmed in that format or intended to be in 3D. So yes, you won't get that pop, but you'll get depth in the image. Now, any movie that's filmed or intended for 3D, you'll see it have that pop or have that extreme depth in the image.
And what do you, the current projector is, I don't want to be wrong, 3200 lumens?
Yes, we have one that goes from 2600 lumens, and then 2 other projectors, the XG and WXGA version, which are 3200 lumens.
Oh, those are all 3D projectors?
Those are all 3D ready projectors.
But,
right.
but the conversion projector is 3200?
No, actually, the 2600 one can do 3D conversion as well. But I think depending on the user's price point, affordability, what type of setup they want to have to enjoy, we offer a wide variety. Dimmer images, definitely give you higher contrast, brighter images, give you more pop in the picture quality. So we offer in the XGA and the WXGA 32.
So in this current model, the
Yes.
one that just got announced for 2D to 3D conversion, what do you think the price point is?
Ooh, that's kind of a question I was afraid that you were going to ask, but we're still kind of working out the price point on this product, but we're looking anywhere between the range of, say, hopefully $900 to about $1,300.
Street price?
MSRP. So we're definitely trying to keep it down to sub 2K price point.
Which I'm sure you will. Now, your chips are all based on Texas DLP?
Yes. All Vivitek projectors are utilizing Texas Instruments DLP DMD chipsets inside. And we manufacture all our own projectors for us. Everything, and we have a complete line of projectors. And you'll see as you visit our website, you can find an entire breadth of products, anywhere ranging from a tiny depot projector to large venue projectors, and many of them have 3D capabilities as well. And as we kind of move throughout the year, we're looking to outfit all of them with 3D.
Have you seen these get implemented into education?
Yes, I think there's a huge interest in the education market for 3D. It can drive a lot of interest for the students. I think for the teenagers or the basic young adults, they are very much into the 3D realm of gaming as well as movie watching. So with that said, why not grasp their interest in the education market by teaching them in a 3D format? So imagine being able to learn about biology, chemistry in a 3D way, or even engineering in a 3D format, architecture in a 3D format. The opportunities are limitless. This is taking like a Star Trek type of format and idea and bringing it down to the real world for the consumer.
Thank you. This has been another report from CES in Las Vegas. This is Lanny Rutkin for 3DNewsAndReviews.com.
Thank you.
All right, listen to this. So